Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. Therefore, while in material existence, bhavamāśritaha, a person fully competent to distinguish wrong from right, must endeavor to achieve the highest goal of life, as long as the body is stout and strong, and is not embarrassed by dwindling.
Tato jatita kusala Chimaya bhavamasita Sarirang paurasang javat Na vipaddita puskalam. So, this should be the human activity, that Sarirang paurasang javat Na vipaddita puskalam. So long we are stout and strong and we can walk very nicely, the health is quite all right, take advantage of it. It is not Krishna consciousness movement is for the lazy fellow, no. It is meant for the strong man, strong in body, strong in mind, strong in determination. Everything is strong. Strong in brain. It is meant for them. Because we have to execute the highest goal of life. Unfortunately, they do not know what is the highest goal of life. The modern, not modern, always, now it is very conspicuous. People do not know what is the aim of life. Anyone who is in this material world, he is in Maya, means he does not know what is the goal of life. Nati vidu, they do not know. Sarthagatim hi Vishnu. Sarthagati, everyone is supposed to be self-interested. Self-interest is the first law of nature, they say. But they do not know what is self-interest. He, instead of going back to home, back to Godhead, that is his real self-interest, he is going to become a dog in the next life. Is that self-interest? But they do not know it. How nature's law is working, they do not know it. Nati vidu. Adanta gohi visatang tamis. Matinna Krishne parato sato va. Matinna Krishne parato sato va. Mitho vipaddita grihabritana. Adanta gobhi visatang tamissang punah punah chadvita chadvanara. And Krishna consciousness, Matinna Krishne. People are very much reluctant to become Krishna conscious. Why? Matinna Krishne parato sato va. By others' instruction, just like we are trying to spread Krishna consciousness all over the world. Parato, sato. Sato means personally, by personal endeavor, just like reading Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, and other Vedic literature. So, Matinna Krishne parato satova, mithova. Mithova means by conference. Nowadays it is a very popular thing to hold conferences. So one cannot become Krishna conscious either by his personal endeavor or by advice of some other man or by holding big conferences. Why? Grihabhratana, because his real aim of life is that I shall remain in this house. Grihabhratana, griha means household life, griha means this body, griha means this universe. There are so many grihas, big and small.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,